Dennis here. I'm on the Freedom of the Seas. We're in the Bahamas today, in Coco Cay. And you might remember a report I did about a week ago about a tropical storm that was just sitting around down mid-Caribbean region, Caribbean Sea, and it's finally turned into a Category 5 storm that's now being called the Hurricane of the Century. It's had winds of up to 185 miles per hour, and is currently over Jamaica. It hit Montego Bay earlier this morning, and it's maintaining winds of 165 miles per hour as it's cutting through from Montego Bay up into Jamaica, causing quite a bit of damage from what I understand. Listening to BBC, looking at NOAA weather radio and NOAA weather reports that have been coming in. I have a little background in weather. I'm a trained weather spotter. I've been very active in ham radio for years, and have been very active as a Skywarn reporter for the Weather Service, and worked with the Weather Service as a broadcaster back and forth, working with the hams and feeding the information to the Weather Service back about 20 some years ago. Also very active in disaster management and what I have my degrees in. Anyhow, I have been watching this very closely, and it appears the next step would be into Cuba and up toward actually this area. They were last pinpointing it. Yesterday we got off the Oasis of the Seas. The Oasis of the Seas was really a bumpy ride most of the way in and out from the turbulence and the waves that the storm has been causing. However, our trip here to the Bahamas last night was quite smooth and very nice sailing. So I'm happy to report that we had a good night's sleep. That's beside the point. Tomorrow we are headed toward Mexico and Cozumel, so hopefully we'll be avoiding any more of the storm, but I'm sure we'll be going through some rough weather. And in Miami yesterday, and in Fort Lauderdale, we were getting some really heavy thunderstorms from it. They were saying that there'd probably be some real bad shore erosion in both Miami and Fort Lauderdale. So I guess all the way up to Central Florida, they're expecting at least some shore problems. heavy rains. Anyhow, behind me, you'll see the Wonder of the Seas, who happen to be our pier mates today here in Coco Cay. And here in Coco Cay, it's really a nice day here. They want to call it a perfect day in Coco Cay. Anyhow, it's a little overcast. Looks like it might rain here. It's warm. And we didn't get off the ship, but we've been here so many times. But it's a great experience. Anyhow, that's about all I have to say right now. I just wanted to bring an update on the weather and bring an update on Cruising with the Ryans, because, we're always here for you. And we hope you'll subscribe to us. Remember, smooth sailing. Have some great vacations. Hopefully at sea.